In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover my Gmail photos. First, we need to open Google Photos. You can do this by navigating to the Google Photos website in your web browser. If you are using a mobile device, find the Google Photos app and tap to open it. This step is crucial because Google Photos is where your images are typically stored, especially if they were backed up from your device. Once the application is open, you will see your photo library. This is the central hub for all your images, making it easy to manage and recover your treasured memories. Next, sign into your Google account. If you are not already signed in, you will need to enter your email address and password associated with your Google account. This step is vital because it ensures that you have access to the correct photo library. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may be prompted to verify your identity. This extra layer of security is important as it protects your personal information and ensures that only you can access your photos. Now, let's locate the trash or bin. On the left side of the screen, you will find a menu. Look for the option labeled Trash or Bin and click on it. This area stores deleted photos temporarily, allowing you to recover them if needed. Understanding this feature is important because it provides a safety net for accidental deletions. The trash can hold your deleted items for up to 60 days, which gives you a window of opportunity for recovery. From there, you will see a list of photos that you have deleted. Take your time to scroll through and find the specific photos you want to restore. You might notice that some images are blurry or show up as thumbnails. This is normal as they are stored in a temporary state. Selecting the right photos is crucial because this will determine what you recover. Once you have identified the photos you want, you are ready to move to the next step. Next up, click on the photos you wish to restore. You can select multiple photos by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each photo, or by tapping on each one if you're using a mobile device. This action is important because it allows you to recover more than one photo at a time, saving you effort. Once you have made your selections, the photos will be highlighted, indicating they are ready for recovery. After that, look for the Restore button, usually located at the top of the screen. Click on this button to restore your selected photos back to their original location in Google Photos. This step is significant because it initiates the recovery process. Once you click Restore, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your photos are being restored. At this point, you can navigate back to your main photo library. You should see the restored photos back in their original folders or albums. This confirmation gives you peace of mind that your recovery was successful and your cherished memories are now safe again. It's always a relief to retrieve lost images, especially those that hold sentimental value. In conclusion, recovering photos from Google Photos is a straightforward process if you follow these essential steps. Remember, the trash feature is a handy tool for recovering deleted photos within a 60-day window. By knowing how to navigate Google Photos effectively, you can ensure that your memories are preserved. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.